Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today we will discuss 7 secrets of a highly effective resume cover letter. Job seekers spend so much time and energy on their resumes, they've got nothing left over for their poor, neglected cover letters. Big mistake. The cover letter is your one chance to really market yourself to an employer using proven marketing strategies rarely found in the typical cover letter. This also assumes you have all the required information below. If you know nothing about the company or the person reading your cover letter, then your resume wins hands down every day. So here's the deal. There's only so much you can do with the traditional resume. I believe the carefully crafted cover letter is just as important to your job search success as any other written document, including the resume. Here are 7 secrets of a highly effective resume cover letter. Number 1, address your cover letter to a specific person. Do your best to find out to whom you should address your cover letter to. Dear manager is completely lifeless. Number 2, open with an attention-grabbing first sentence to really grip the reader. This will almost guarantee your cover letter and resume get a closer look. Number 3, less is more. The best cover letter have plenty of white space, and cover letters that are clear, focused, short, and sweet land more job interviews, period. So number 4, focus on what you can do for the employer. How can you benefit the company specifically? Do a little research and relate this simply and clearly in the letter. Number 5, choose words that show enthusiasm and passion for the position you seek. It's a big secret. Then carry this passion into the interview with you. Number 6, request one action. Ask the employer to be interviewed. For example, state, I really would like the opportunity for a personal interview this week. Hey, you never know until you ask. Number 7, end your cover letter with something enthusiastic, like and telling, like, I look forward to being interviewed at your earliest convenience. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Sincerely, Jane, job seeker. Notice how Jane assumes she'll land the interview. This is clever, smart, and it works like a charm. Think of your cover letter as a sales letter. The only purpose of your resume cover letter is to land you more job interviews. That's the bottom line. So by using the proven marketing strategies I've outlined above, you will land more quality job interviews than your competition. So, and remember, the more job interviews you have translates to more job offers. Finally, the most important advice I can offer you is this: follow up every job lead, contact, and communication. Following up can literally double your chances. It is also the one secret ingredient missing from 99% of every job seeker's playbook. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Again, that's gethiredsecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.